Watch this video and learn how to draw a Stormtrooper from Star Wars. Later in the show, Bobby Bananas has a dance break. And watch to the end to see one of Louie's shape breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Well, come on, it's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hi, Artie. Artie?
Oh, hello, little artist.
Hello, Artie. You know how you love Star Wars?
Yes?
Should we draw a Stormtrooper?
Oh, Artie would love that. Can we please?
Of course we can.
Okay, yay!
Wow, look at all the little artists that are here today. Greetings, little artist.
What's up, little artists?
Are you ready to start, Artie?
I'm ready to start.
You've got your pens
Yeah, got my pens.
and your paper.
Yeah, got my paper.
Well then, what are we waiting for? Let's start to make some art.
Yeah, okay, let's start.
Let's start by drawing our Stormtrooper's left eye. A straight line across, a line coming down on the left side, and then an angled line going back up to the top right end. That's it. Now let's draw the right eye. A straight line across again. Very good. And then from the left side, an angled line coming down. A little curve at the bottom of that line. Wow, Artie, these shapes look just like my sunglasses.
Yeah. Oh,
I'll have to wear those later if the sun comes out. A little vertical line on the left and right side. And then let's draw a long straight line all the way across above the eyes. You can do it in sections to make it a little bit easier. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Thanks, Louie. That was very helpful. Now let's draw another straight line underneath the first one, just above the eyes. Now let's draw the top part of our Stormtrooper's helmet. From the left side, we're going to draw a big, curved top of head, almost like a forehead. And then another one on the right, and then connect the two together across the top.
I don't know what he's drawing, but it's sure gonna be great!
Okay, Barry, thank you. Now all the dogs are barking. Ugh. Now let's draw the right side of the helmet. A straight line coming down and then a curve. Again on the left, straight line and curve. Let's connect the two ends with a big frowny shape. A big upside down half circle.
oh, let's have a dance break.
You want a dance break?
Yeah,
Well, I suppose we could.
please.
Okay.
Dance break! Yay! Woohoo!
I've never seen that move before.
Sorry. Well, beautiful. Just beautiful. 10, of course. 10.
Dance break.
That was a good one, Artie.
Yeah.
Bobby was awesome.
Yeah.
So good. Should we carry on with the drawing?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Come on. Let's draw another upside down frowny shape. And then we're going to draw some vertical lines, almost like teeth.
Teeth?
Well, they're not really teeth, they're holes in the helmet. Keep watching, because coming up, Louis has a shape break. Let's draw a big curve coming down from the left side of the mouth. Carry that curve around a bit more, Artie. Great. Now let's do one coming from the right side of the mouth. Try and make it match the one you drew on the left. Very good. Now let's draw a little stepped line in between the two. Let's draw the mouth hole inside the helmet.
Painty! Oh no! Go away! No, Painty, no! No! Oh.
Oh, Painty, you've made a big blue mess everywhere. Ugh, I guess I'll clean that up later when we finish this drawing. Oh, that's looking really good, Artie. Now, inside that shape, let's draw another stepped shape. I'll show you what I mean. First of all, straight up, across, down, across, down, across, down. There you go.
Oh, can we have a cartoon break?
A cartoon break?
Yeah.
Well, I suppose we could.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Cartoon break.
Artie, let's go and find pentagon-shaped things.
Artie loves shapes. Pentagon picture frame. Pentagon chalk drawings. Pentagon sign. Oh, Pentagon flower bed. Pentagon plate. Pentagon cookie. Yum. Pentagon sandpit. Artie loves shapes. Oh, that was a really good cartoon break.
It really was.
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing now?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay.
Come on then. Now let's add a curved line on the right side and another curved line on the left side. Very good. Now let's give him a right cheek, a big curved line. And then another one on the left side. Very good. Now let's add some little short lines inside the cheek. 3 on the left and 3 on the right.
Hi, Artie.
Hi, Bunny.
Wow, that drawing makes me hop with joy.
Oh, I'm very happy.
It's excellent.
Excellent.
Hop to it.
Bye.
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 Bunny's so funny and so cute. Oh, good job, Artie. I see you added those lines underneath the eyes. The more detail, the better. Now let's give him some ears. We're going to draw 2 rectangles on the side of the head. First of all, a large one, and then a smaller one. Now let's do the same on the left side. Large rectangle, and then smaller rectangle. Well, that's looking like a Stormtrooper to me, Artie. I think you might be finished.
It's finished.
I thought it was.
Yeah. Can I color it in now, please?
Of course you can.
Okay.
Color it in, color it in, color, color, color it in.
Artie finished.
It looks really good, Artie.
Yeah.
So much detail,
Oh, lots of work.
but worth it.
Ugh, Artie very tired now. Artie needs nap. Yeah.
You need a nap.
Oh, yes, please.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later. Stay positive.
Thank you for watching, little artists. I hope you have an Artie day.